Before we start, do you need a recipe? If you're looking for a book based on today's video, for yourself or your family, click on the link in description. Instead of fussing around in the kitchen, you'll find there the best cooking tips and meal ideas. What's good, y'all? In today's video, we're going to uncover what you should eat this fall. Alright then, it's getting cooler outside, and you need to get prepared since the body clock takes its cue from sunlight. First of all, autumn air dries the skin, nose, throat and lungs, so you should ban ice-cold drinks from your diet and switch to hot tea or herbal tea. Don't worry, we will make a video about these beverages very soon. According to Chinese and Indian medicines, you should focus first on warming food, since raw foods can be hard for the body to digest in colder weather. Rice, quinoa and bulgur wheat are recommended. 1. Pumpkin. Its orange color is a good indication of an important compound, beta-carotene. It will give you vitamin A containing also vitamins C, E and K, and fiber. Pumpkin will boost your immune system, protect your eyesight, promote weight loss, lower your risk of cancer, and benefit heart health. Its sweet flavor makes it a very versatile ingredient in soups, pastas, pies and pancakes. 2. Sweet potato. Healthier than potatoes, sweet potatoes contain vitamins A, C and B6, minerals, antioxidant and are high in fiber. They will protect you from cancer, heart disease, and they are a good anti-aging vegetable too. In chips, fries, toasted, mashed, baked and so on, sweet potatoes can be prepared in many ways. 3. Brussels sprouts. Good source of folate, thiamine, magnesium, phosphorus and iron. Brussels sprouts are also packed with vitamins B6, C and K, which is necessary for blood clotting and bone health. Pan-roasted, baked, sautéed, grilled, fried or steamed, these veggies taste divine. 4. Parsnips. Containing potassium and fiber, vitamin C, K and folate, parsnips may prevent oxidative stress, diabetes and heart disease, and cancer. They have been cultivated around the world for thousands of years. In addition to rice and potatoes, or puree them into soups and sauces will bring a unique taste to your dishes. 5. Butternut squash. Celebrated for its versatility and sweet nutty flavor, butternut squash is low in calories but high in many nutrients, such as vitamins A, C, E, folate, magnesium, potassium, manganese and fiber. It may reduce your risk of heart disease, lung cancer and mental decline, helping for any healthy weight loss plan. Though you can eat butternut squash raw, it's commonly roasted or baked, such as stews and pies. It tastes best with other fall flavorings, like cinnamon and ginger. 6. Rutabaga. Known by the names Swede and Swedish turnip, rutabagas are an excellent source of potassium, calcium and magnesium, vitamins C and E. They are also loaded with folate and provide small amounts of phosphorus and selenium. Rutabaga promotes skin and bowel health, may support weight control and reduce risk of stroke and heart disease. You can add them to casseroles, puree them with turnips and carrots to make a sweet soup, or roast them with ginger, honey, or lemon. 7. Cauliflower. Contains 77% of vitamin C and 20% of vitamin K, a little less of vitamin B6, fiber, folate, potassium, magnesium, manganese and phosphorus, in short, almost every vitamins and minerals that your body needs. It's wonderful steamed, or blended, to create a mashed potato-like texture or pureed into soup. Cauliflower will boost your immune system and protect you against several chronic diseases. 8. Apples. Loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K and potassium, apples are also high in fiber and water. Polyphenols, concentrated in the peel, may lower blood pressure. Eating apples will protect you from type 2 diabetes, obesity, heart disease and cancer. Lesser known fact, they will also protect you against asthma. Raw or baked, to get the greatest amount of benefits, eat the skin. 9. Pomegranates. Among the healthiest fruits on earth, pomegranates are packed with vitamins C and K, folate, potassium, protein and fiber. Studies showed they have 3 times the antioxidant activity of green tea. Pomegranates have potent anti-inflammatory properties that prevent breast, prostate and colon cancers. Mix them with tangerines, another seasonal fruit, and you can drink it raw or use it as a base for marinades. Seeds can also be tossed into salads. 10. Grapes. For the last of this list, we could have told you more about tangerines, or pears, but since we are a French team, let's talk about grapes. Used by several ancient civilizations, grapes offer a lot of benefits to your body. Loaded with vitamins C, K and B6, protein, fiber, thiamine, riboflavin, potassium, copper and manganese, grapes repair the damage to your cells by free radicals that may protect you against chronic health conditions such as diabetes, breast and colon cancers, and heart disease. Grapes contain also several compounds such as lutein and zeaxanthin that benefit eye health. Studies showed vitamin K has protective effects on bones. You can eat grapes plain for breakfast or snack, chop them to a vegetable or salad, and of course, drink them in juice. Be sure to choose 100% grape juice, preferred organic. Et voila! Now you are ready for winter. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have questions or suggestions for future videos.